I picked up this 2-pack of bones. We already got one gone. And you can see someone is excited for it right there. So we're gonna go through and give her the other one. She really enjoys these. I don't feel like they last that long, but it's long enough. Let's go through and give it to her. Here's what it looks like. Yummy. Nice. Take it nice. Hey, you're on camera. So yeah, they seem to break away pretty good. It says for long-lasting chewing, though I think it's pretty quick. It is made with real bison. And I was kind of surprised she ripped this apart as fast as she did last time. You could already see that the bone is going away pretty quick. Is that good? And that quickly, we're 2 minutes in and it's almost gone. But she's definitely happy and she likes it a lot. Tastes good too. So we're looking for just a quick bone for the dog. A little snack. I'll give her a few minutes pleasure. This would be it. So I definitely recommend it as long as you're not looking for something that's gonna be around a lot longer.